Alright everybody, want to give Rebel Yell 100 a shout out here. I tried just the regular Rebel Yell and that was pretty good. This is straight bourbon whiskey. This is 100 proof. As my son likes to say, 100 horsepower. 50% alcohol. This stuff's pretty good. This was only $20. Pretty tasty stuff. So yeah, get you some of that. Like Richard Rawlings from Gas Monkey, get you some of this. So yeah, it's pretty good. Let's see, how does this I want to see how this fits before we commit to yeah, it's supposed to look like copper conductors. Yeah, it fits in here. You know, you could get away without the tape, but let's go ahead and add it anyways. Woo! Those are tight. Alright, so let's, before we do that, let's bend the rest of these. Whoa. We had a little too much Rebel Yell. Get right up on the end there. Bend it to a 90. Okay. We'll do that with all of these pieces. Get right up on the edge here. Yeah. If you guys play video games, but you guys heard about this whole disaster with Cyberpunk 2077? Yeah, kind of sucks. I don't know, my son was thinking about buying it, but after everything that's happened, you know, I don't think he's going to be buying it. Although, you know, PlayStation's been pulling it off the store and everything. I told him, you know, you might actually want to consider buying it because, you know, physical copy, because you never know. I mean, it might be gone. You know, if it's supposedly there's a lawsuit already. If there is, you might not be able to ever get that game again, except used. So you know, it's one of those things. Told him to think about it. I hope they update it for all the people that did buy it. It's it'd be a shame. It seems like an awesome game. I mean, come on, it's got Keanu Reeves in it. Who doesn't like Keanu Reeves? Become very popular again. So yeah, there we go. Alright, so we've got our different glue pieces here. Sticker. Alright. So we're gonna, I guess. Nope. Oh, this could be fun. Jam this down in here. Yeah, this is working. This is working real good. Not. Okay. Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice job, man. Okay. So I guess we're just gonna, you know, stick it in and win. Okay. Alright. Wow. One down. A bunch to go. Here's some of that sticky stuff on there. Yeah, so we just got, you know, just peel these off. Stick them on. Yeah, this stuff is halfway decently sticky. So quiet in here. I really want to listen to some music with you guys. Like I said, I'll just get copyrighted into oblivion if I do. So that sucks. But what are you gonna do? So, oh, it's so exciting. We may speed some of this up here, depending on what happens, because this is very exciting. Yeah, I think, you know what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause the video, and I'm going to stick the rest of this down here. I mean, how much do you want to suffer, guys? We'll get this all together in here, and then I'll bring you back. Sound good? Alright, I'll be right back. Now, let's see, YouTube copyright infringe me now. I'm singing. Alright. There we go. Oh, let's look at the destructions again. Okay, put these on here. It says step 4, screw alignment, nylon column shown in yellow. Tighten. Step 3, incline screw facing hole up. Oh. Texture face up. Yep. Step, pay attention to the orientation of the gap. Connected non-equilateral triangle. Press down on the inner ferrous sheet. Whatever. So there's another. Okay. So I'm assuming it looks like it's this one. Alright. So they're saying to like put this on top of here and then screw it down. So pretty simple. Let's get our 1.5 millimeter screwdriver, our hex dynamite hex driver, and let's get our screws out here. So I guess we're going to be looking for the tapered ones.